Good morning, class for Cosmos. The form today that we will do is a lot like a four-leaf clover, but they will intersect in the middle with four curved lines. So this form can symbolize the four seasons. It can also symbolize the four elements. And to make this form, we will make the same 5 dots as our guide. So the colors that we will be using today are yellow. So please use a yellow stick crayon, golden yellow stick crayon. You can also use orange, a green stick crayon, a red stick crayon, and a blue stick crayon. It's ideally. So I am first going to go in with my yellow crayon, and I'm going to make the four curved lines just like last time, but this time they will be going to the other side of the dot. If you could remember, last time we didn't go beyond the dot in the middle, we went behind it every time we cross. This time we are going to go beyond the dot in the middle. Alright, so make sure your drawing table is smooth. If you can, please use the drawing board that you were given, the gray boards, and we will start from the top, going to the right dot. Top dot to the right dot, very lightly. I'm going to switch with gold so you can see it. So a curved line from the top to the right, and again from the right to the bottom. So from the bottom, we're now going around the dot again to the left dot, and then we are making a line now around the dot again to the top dot. So from the top to the right, to the bottom, to the left, to the top, to the right, so on and so forth. Please follow with your finger as we go again from the top to the right, to the bottom, to the left. Okay, now this will form 3 little curvy triangles in the middle, unlike the other form. Okay, so pause here and then play again once you have done this light yellow form. Alright, so once you are done with your form, this is just your guideline. Now we will be going in with our 4 main colors. So starting with red, we will go over the line, already going over and under with our red. So watch first. I will start at the very top, go over here, and stop here, go under here. As you can see, I went under, and then now I'm going to go over here. And then I'm going to go under here, and red will stop here. So I'll go over that line again to thicken it. And stopping when it's time to go under. And then I'll start again here. I will cover the guideline. going over this line, stopping here because I'm going under this line, and then I'm going to go here, but I will stop at the tip of the spade. So please make sure you leave space for the lines that are going over your red line. So pause here and play again when you're ready. So for the next color, you are now going to use gold for real this time. Okay, so we are going to continue where we stopped at red. So you can blend a bit here, the red and the gold or the orange, and then try to recall what was the last move. Was it over or under? Here you can see it was under. So the next intersection we will go over. So thicken the line. We are going over this line. Hold it. And we are stopping here to go under this line. Start in here, and now we will go over here, and red gave us space to go over it. And we will stop here, so you'll go under this one. Stop there, and then start here. Give space to whatever color will go there. And you stop at the tip of the spade again. Okay, because now we will switch to the next color. We're taking green and starting at the tip of the spade. You can blend a little bit at the tip again and start moving. Here you can see that red gave us space, so we can go over. And there's another intersection here, so we need to stop. We stop here, we give it space, and then we continue, and we go over the yellow line, the golden line, because it gave us space as well. And then we stop here because the red line is crossing. And you go under the red to the tip of the spade. Alright, so pause here and then play again when you're ready. Now, we're going to add our final color. And it's very clear to see now because all of the other lines are there that our last color will go over, under, over, under, and all the way back to the start. And now I need to be very careful because I'm using a black crayon. Hopefully you have a blue stick crayon. So we start here and blend the blue with the green a bit before we go over yellow, who very kindly gave us some space here. So So try to make your line smooth and stop where red is, and then continue after red to go over green. It's quite hard to grip it because I can't use a pencil grip. And then we stop where yellow is and continue after towards red. You can do a bit of blending there as well. And come back. And try to make the stops, the gaps, try to make them even. Alright, so here there's a bit of an angle. When I do this on my main lesson book, I will make sure it's more curved. So practice a lot again, and then transfer it into your main lesson book and write the date of the day at the bottom right.